Can your IRA make a private money loan secured by real estate? We're going to answer this question and walk you through the simple three-step process to making a private money loan with a self-directed IRA. Hi everybody, I'm John Bowens, Director of Education and Investor Success here at Equity Trust. Make sure to, in the comments box, ask your questions and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way we can alert you to all of our ongoing educational videos. So can you use your IRA to make a private money loan secured by real estate? And the answer is absolutely you can. Now keep in mind that there are certain individuals that you would not be permitted to make a loan to using your self-directed IRA, Roth IRA, or other tax-advantaged investment account. These are considered disqualified persons. So your IRA couldn't make a loan to yourself, for example. Your IRA couldn't make a loan to a parent, a child. Your IRA couldn't make a loan to your businesses that you own and operate, or other entities or trusts. So you have to keep in mind that there are these disqualified persons and your IRA is not permitted to make loans to these individuals. Any other third party, your IRA can make a loan secured by property. Maybe they're going to do a fix and flip type transaction, or maybe they're going to buy a house and eventually refinance and pay you back. So you're in the driver's seat here. You get to control the terms and how you structure that particular loan. The important point here is that your IRA has an asset, which is a promissory note and then a mortgage, or in some states, it's referred to as a deed of trust. So let's walk through the three-step process. The first step of the process is open and fund your self-directed IRA. And that's a really critical step because you have to keep in mind that you're going to be at the mercy, and Equity Trust, we're at the mercy of another financial institution to roll over or transfer funds into your self-directed IRA. So if timing is very important to you and the borrower of the funds on the transactions that they're doing in real estate, you want to make sure that you have your account set up and funded well in advance. The second step of the process is for you to provide the documentation to Equity Trust along with a direction of investment form, and then give us the authorization here at Equity Trust to direct your money from the IRA directly to the borrower's account that is designated for the private money loan. In many cases, that's going to be sent to a title company or to a real estate closing attorney. The documentation that you're submitting to Equity Trust, it would be the drafted copy of the promissory note and mortgage, or in some states, this would be referred to as a deed of trust. So you have the note, and then you have the mortgage or deed of trust, which is the evidence of the debt. That's the document that's going to ultimately be recorded with the county recorder, and then you would send all of the original documents back to Equity Trust for safekeeping. Now, important to understand that the lender within the promissory note and mortgage or deed of trust needs to be titled specifically in the name of your IRA. So if you're using your self-directed IRA, you would use Equity Trust Company Custodian, FBO as in for benefit of, your name, IRA. Now, don't worry about remembering all of that because you're going to work with an Equity Trust representative and they can provide that specific titling to you. So in step 2, you're going to provide the documentation to Equity Trust. We have an online portal called My Equity where you can answer some questions through what we call a direction of investment form. And then you digitally sign that document, upload a copy of your promissory note and mortgage or deed of trust, and then you're giving us the authorization at that point to send the wire transfer directly to the title company or the closing attorney. So then step 3 is managing and monitoring your investment. So you'll have access to your My Equity portal where you'll be able to track all of the deposits, track all of the money flowing back into the account. And we have a borrower payment portal that you'll be able to access where you can send a secure link to your borrower and they can provide their bank information and send a direct deposit back into the self-directed IRA. So in conclusion, can your IRA be a private money lender secured by real estate? Absolutely. And then you follow the 3-step process. Open and fund the account, direct the investment by providing the necessary documents to Equity Trust, and then manage and monitor your investment. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. Make sure to ask your questions in the comments box. Until the next video, keep leveraging compounding interest in the absence of taxation.